Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to request a loan in Revolut or get a credit. So as you can see, I'm using the desktop version of Revolut. So what you're going to have to do is simply open the app on your mobile device. Then what you're going to have to do next is simply tap the account selector below your balance and then select add new. Then choose credit and then choose personal loan credit cards. Then you're gonna have to fill in a short form to provide them with all necessary information. And as you can see, we need to assess your application. You might need to provide supporting documents. Upon approval of your application, finalize the process by viewing the offer and accepting it by choosing the preferred terms. So basically, they're gonna show you multiple offers, and based on what you need and how much you want, you're gonna have to approve or not the loan basically. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.